Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to find out the deleted notes on your iPhone. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and the things we have to do now is just go open the notes application. If you cannot find the notes application on your home screen, you just need to slide your screen into the left side, and after that on the search button you just need to type notes. You find it? Then just click it to open it. And here I already have my notes open, but then let's delete one document for the tutorials today. So I would like to delete this. Just click and hold, and after that click delete. And now when it's deleted, it will be disappear on this home notes. And how to find it out? You just need to go click this side to back into the folders. And now you will have two folders here. These folders will be the folders that containing all of your notes that you haven't deleted, and this one will containing the notes that you already deleted. So you just need to click it. If the notes that you delete is less than 30 days, means that you still have an access to bring these notes back into your folder. But then it's if the file is already deleted more than 30 days, so it will be permanently removed from your phone. So yep, that's the way how to find out the deleted notes on your iPhone. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.